So we're going to the vet this afternoon just to make sure that it's okay. So what I'll do is I'll throw the ball. What's up, you guys? It's Kat. Welcome back. So I did not finish my hot coffee this morning, so we are currently updating it. Is that the right way to say it? Upgrading, switching to iced coffee. Let me know if you do this too. If you like, typically my standard routine is I'll start off the morning with hot coffee, in the winter at least when it's cold, but then I never finish it. So I always end up putting ice in a different glass. And I know that like, you're probably like, Kat, you're wasting dishes. I could just add the ice to this cup, but I just much prefer drinking iced coffee from a cute glass like this. Also, if I look a little odd, that's just because I have my fake tanner on and I have not taken a shower yet. I put it on at like 9 this morning, and we're gonna clean up a little bit. I'm gonna show my to-do list in a sec, 'cause we have a big to-do list today. But that's why it probably doesn't look very even just yet. But it will after I shower. Base clean, self-tanner, I'll check that off once we take a shower and wash it off. I have a handful of Tik Toks to film. I'm gonna film a Q&A for YouTube. I may end up doing this tomorrow, depending, because we have an additional thing on our to-do list, which I'll say that I wasn't expecting. But I wanna call and make my dentist appointment, and then a fold laundry. So the additional thing that I was definitely not planning to have on the to-do list, early this morning, Callie would not stop trying to scratch her ear and like shaking her head. And I just got really worried. It doesn't look red to me. I'm not going to touch it, but she would not leave it alone. Like, she clearly seemed bothered by it. So I called the vet and they were able to get her in today at 4:40. She seems way more comfortable now, but this morning she was definitely doing it enough to the point where I was like, this is not normal. I want to make sure everything's okay. So we're going to be going to the vet. Oh, you do big stretch. So I'll keep you updated with what they say. Also, I'm very excited. This evening, me and one of my friends of Chiel are actually going to a pole dancing class. She texted me a few weeks ago and was like, I found this class that does like workout pole dancing classes. Do you want to try it out? And I was like, that sounds fun. So we're trying that today. Also, quick little outfit of the day. My shorts, this little sweater, and my slippers are all from TJ Maxx. I don't know where my socks are. They're just gray socks. And then this cardigan is from Target. I love this. And then my earrings are from Ana Luisa. And this hair clip that I have, can I show you? Can you see it? I hope you could see it, is from my FabFitFun box. Also, let me know what you think about this wreath. I got it from TJ Maxx. It's definitely more springy, so it was like meant for my spring decor, but I was just so excited to put it up that I put it up as soon as I got it. I love, like, this is literally the exact type of green wreath that I wanted. I'm so excited about it. I cannot wait to do like my spring clean and decorate with me, which will be like very early March. So get excited for that, but I think we're gonna start off by doing the base clean, starting in the kitchen. I thought we'd pop the quote of the video in the beginning of the video today because I'm just really excited to share this one with y'all. It's one of those quotes that I saw on Instagram the other day, and it came at like the perfect time. Like, I really needed to hear this. So I'm hoping that if some of y'all out there are dealing with issues that are really stressing you out, that this can help you out as well. So the quote is, "You're going to figure it out just like you always do." Sometimes we forget that we have made it through 100% of our hardest days, and moving forward, you're going to continue to do so. Whatever issue is bugging you, whatever problem you're trying to solve, no matter how complex or difficult it may seem, you're going to figure it out just like you always do. With March right around the corner, I'm getting super excited for spring decor, and this year I'm splitting my spring decorating cleaning series up into 2 videos. The first one will be up on March 1st, so subscribe if you're not already, and it's going to be my deep clean and undecorate with me. We're going to take all of my winter decor down, do a super deep clean, and then part 2, which will be up like a week later or a little less than a week later, is going to be decorating for spring. So bringing out all of my decor, going shopping for new spring decor, and I'm so excited about both.
A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat.
This furniture polish is incredible. I don't know what magic it works, but it works magic. Maybe I'm just being dramatic, but I feel like the before and after of the coffee table is just incredible. It makes me so happy to look at. So we are going to be polishing like all of the wooden furniture in my condo when we do our deep clean. But for today, we did the coffee table, the TV stand, and the side table in the living room.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like.
Tim got me these beautiful roses for Valentine's Day, and while I am definitely no expert at keeping plants or flowers alive, this tip does really help my flowers to stay fresh. So all I do is when I change out the water every other day is I'll also cut the stems of the flowers a couple of inches, an inch or so, and this just helps them stay fresh, and I notice that they last way longer when I do this.
Nobody loves me better.
So aside from the laundry we have to fold, the bedroom is clean, and the office is also clean. So we can now check off base clean from our to-do list.
Now looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche.
Okay, so right now I'm just getting my shot ready because we are about to film a TikTok. Finally got myself like super consistent with TikTok, and I've been having so much fun with it. So if you want to check it out, it's just add it. I'm Cat May. That's my username. I hope you can't, like I hope in the TikTok you can't tell that I haven't washed off my tanner yet. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. I got this super long leash for her so that I could take her out to this big field near our complex and she can play ball. So what I have to do is as she's running for the ball, I'll sprint with her. So it's a good workout for me too. All showered. Also, if you don't have a towel robe like this one, I highly recommend. It's like the most luxurious thing to get out of the shower and put on like a whole towel robe. I love it. We're gonna do some quick makeup. I also have to make a grocery list because Tim is gonna go to the grocery store when I take Cal to the vet. So I have to send him what I would like. So we're gonna do my makeup, send him a grocery list, film some TikToks, and then go to the vet. And then when we get back from the vet, we'll fold the laundry, and then we have the pole dancing class tonight, which I'm really excited about. All right, let's try this again. And here I am, take 2 of filming TikToks. And if you're not already, you should totally go follow me on TikTok if you have one. My account is @I'mCatMay, and I've been having so much fun and posting super frequently on there. So I would love to have you leave me a comment on my latest TikTok if you're coming from this YouTube video. Do you want to go for Caca Ride? Do you want to go for Caca Ride? Is that a yes? You do want to go for Caca Ride? I know you're not going to be happy when we get there because it's the vet, but they're going to help fix your ear. So we just left the vet. She does have an ear infection, but I absolutely love her vet. So I'm glad that I made the appointment. I'm glad that we got it all set up. She's got her medicine, and then we're going back in 2 weeks to get it checked on. Oh gosh, the sun is bright. Oh, hey baby.
No, it's scary sometimes, but I know we're safe.
The easiest easiest way that I have found to give Callie any sort of a pill, and I think this works for most dogs, is you take a little bit of cream cheese. She's the dog who, if I put the pill in with the rest of her food, she will literally eat every piece of food, but the pill will still be left there. But what I do is, this may seem, I only use this for Callie. I don't eat this cream cheese myself, but you take some with your finger like that, and then you stick it in, and I will go wash my hands before I touch my camera. Actually, babe, can you take the camera and show me feeding Callie? You gonna get a treat? Come here. Oh, yay! Is that yummy? See, she gobbles it right up.
Good girl. That was good. Cream cheese.
Is that yummy? Mwah.
I will pick a new song.
Oh, wait.
Alright, everybody ready?
I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling.
Guys, it is currently 4:44 p.m. on Wednesday, February 23rd. I filmed this video on Monday, which was President's Day, so I didn't have work that day. So I just wanted to quickly end off this vlog. A couple important things. One, that pole dancing class was so much fun. It was definitely a workout. Like, my upper body, there was like some floor movements that I didn't show because I don't know, I felt weird showing it. My butt was like up in the air. I didn't want to show that on the internet. But like, it was some upper body strength that you needed. And like, when she showed us stuff that you would learn if you continue doing the classes where you like climb the pole, I'm like, that is difficult. I can definitely see myself doing classes like that every now and then for fun, but I don't think it's not something that I'm going to continue right now. It was more like a one-time fun class to try out, and it was definitely a lot of fun. I also just wanted to acknowledge that I know it's been like 2.5 weeks since I posted. I don't want to come on here and just, I don't know. I feel like when I'm in the routine of uploading every week and then I go 2 weeks without uploading, I feel like, I don't know. I feel like I owe y'all an apology, and I just want to say, not like everything's okay. I just feel like life has been, I feel like I say this a lot because life is just always busy, but life has just been extra crazy lately. And I have been really, really prioritizing TikTok. Definitely by no means do I plan on slowing down on YouTube. Like, I'm back for weekly uploads on YouTube from here on out. But I've been really, really consistent with TikTok, and I've been having so much fun with it. So if you don't follow me on TikTok, you should. It's just I'm Cat May. Oh, that was the other thing I wanted to say. If you know, let me know if you noticed that I changed my YouTube name to Cat May instead of Catherine May. My full name is Catherine, so a couple years back I had changed it thinking like Catherine May sounds prettier than Cat May. And like, I do love Catherine, but like, I never go by Catherine. Like, only a couple people in my life still call me Catherine, and everyone else, like online, at work, everybody else calls me Cat. So I just figured it made way more sense to have my name be Cat on my YouTube channel, and I changed my Instagram handle to I'm Cat May, and my TikTok is also I'm Cat May. Oh, Callie's coming to say hi. Oh, you slipped. You want to come say hi? Come here. Callie came to say hi. Oh, I love you. You're so cute. You know why I think she's getting all hyped up right now? Because it's the D word time. Also, this is a good time to give a quick little update. It has been 2 days that she's been on her medicine, and she definitely, like, I definitely noticed she is not scratching at her ear as much. The vet said it should take 2 weeks to be fully healed, and we are going back in 2 weeks just to make sure that it is fully healed. But she's doing good. We went on a fun walk today, and I think, it's now 4:49. I've been rambling on for 5 minutes. So I'm gonna go feed her. You know, I'll just say it because I'm going to go give it to you. Do you want dinner? Do you want dinner time? You want dinner time? I'm going to go feed her dinner before my meeting. And then after my meeting, I'm going to edit. So that's what the rest of my evening looks like. I have to give y'all something to comment if you watched until this part of the video. Ooh, this is random, but I'm looking at the pink straw in my lemon. So comment pink lemon if you watch until this part. All right. I love y'all so much. Comment pink lemon if you watch until this part, and I will see y'all in my next video.